Okay, what we're gonna do is Pails rails for hip extension. Basically, I'm trying to get this hip to open up in that direction, like I'm going into extension during a run. Basically, I'm gonna get nice and tall, nice and neutral, have everything stacked. I'm gonna take myself into in range. I'm gonna feel that tension across my hip into my hip flexor. At that point, I'm gonna start my count for my 2-minute stretch. During the stretch, I'm gonna breathe into my diaphragm, nice and rest and digest. That way all the tissue has a chance to relax versus be all guarded. After the 2 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my contraction. First contraction I'm thinking about is everything in the front of my hip is pulling my knee and my foot up to my chest. So I'm pulling, I'm bracing at the core, I'm feeling everything across the front of my hip and my knee pull to my chest as hard as I can. Hard as I can for 30 seconds. At that point, I'm gonna zero back out to zero to relax, and then I'm gonna push in the opposite direction. So everything posterior is pushing my hip, driving it further into hip extension as hard as I can for 30 seconds. At that point, what I'm gonna do is zero back out, and I'm gonna reset for my second cycle and the allotted time on the second cycle.